Hello Earth, welcome to episode 25 of Making Cell, a series of videos where I record myself designing and implementing a programming environment called Cell. If you're just tuning in for the first time, I recommend you go check out github.com/autocodenl/cell. The link will be pasted in the description. Yesterday, we actually had a great time. We refactored the tests and a significant amount of let's say the outer level functions, and I don't know, I had a lot of fun yesterday. I'm very happy about what transpired. We still have two tests that are failing, which we're gonna tackle now, and go at it. So what I want to understand is why these things that were working before are no longer working. And actually, before I do that, because I'm always in the style of not doing what I'm supposed to do, I wanted to call validator from textToPaths. So textToPaths doesn't call validator, but it should really, because when are you ever going to want paths that are not valid? Makes no sense. If you're giving me text and I'm giving you paths, if those paths are not valid, I want to give you an error. So I'm going to do this. The validator, I think, requires the path to be in order, right? Yeah, it does. I didn't write it anywhere, I think, because that's how I roll. But if I look at the validator calls, yeah, it's already sorted here. And here, I also sorted it. Interesting. I will at least make a note, right? Assumes that paths are dedotted and sorted. Yeah. Sorry, where was I? textToPaths. Cell validator. No, but wait, validator gives you an error or everything okay? Can do this. Paths is this. The cell validator paths if that's it. So let's now see what we broke. Wait, I guess I can do it like this here. We don't need this anymore. A, B, and C. It's this one, right? Oh, look at that. This is an invalid case. All right. So ABC, what do I want to test here? I guess it would be something like this. Okay, then it works again. Nice, not a bad signal. Well, I mean, the previous thing that was broken is broken now. So if I look at how it was in the olden days of, I don't know, it is an editor. Where's the view files? Yeah, browse files, nice. If I look at this one, if I look at the validator, so I run the parser, The parser runs the textToPaths, then the validator. That's it. That still doesn't explain how did I actually check after a put if things were valid. How did I do it? Ah, it's here in this extra key, right? No, it's not that. It's the put has to be running some sort of validation, right? Ah, it's this one. Ah, that's it. It's the truth. Validation error is so long. I just say error, right? Why not? If error length, why the cell validator why is it not wrapped? Am I still recording? Yes, look at that. Yeah, it looks good. So what's your problem? Ah, I guess it would be if error. Okay, so this one is there. Yeah, you run the validation before putting it in the data space. It's the most straightforward thing. So this is returning what I get from put. But what is your problem? Why are you look at this case. I'm afraid I can't do that. Yeah, this is the problem. And also this one. Oh, I think we're almost done. Sorry, it should be double, right? Yeah. Slightly clunky, but honestly, I'm okay with it. Ah, look at that. We finished the refactoring triumphantly. This is much better now because I have a reverse thing. We have the helpers here with the dedoder and the sorter fixed. Well, not fixed. The validator is implicitly called. No, what implicit? Sorry, not no implicit. But honestly, this should already be handled as part of. Well, I guess I can put them there. But the really part of validator could be seen as a helper to cell sorter, honestly. Honestly, this are. Well, let's just skip them. So we run it through the dedoder, sorter, and validator. And that's the sequence for the textToPaths. Put also uses the validator. Not only uses the validator, it also uses the sorter, right? Yes. Yes. Not the dedoder, because it already works with the paths, so there's no dots. I smell there might be a bug there with dots, but maybe not. Then here, instead is integer. Oh yeah, these are these are just the call errors, right? Yeah, extra keys. And these two test exactly the same. They're the same. Yep. Look at this. I have an error that has not been tested here at all, right? A target value. I think it would be something with a put. It's not the first time I listen to this album, but I think it's the first time I'm really ready for it. What the hell is a target value that can be only a single path? So I'm getting the first element. So if the so I'm iterating the path. So I really cannot figure out what this code is doing. It's a bit late here. It's usually the time that I already stopped working. But because it's a Friday, I'm letting loose. So the first element of the path. Yeah, this is the same, right? If I comment this out, it doesn't matter. This is completely wrong. This is old. Because why am I expecting the first element of the path to be a number? Not at all, right? It's completely... I have a P and I have a V. This is from before, when I had 1, 2, 3, 4, that stuff. This is completely irrelevant. You put a P and you put a V, and that's it. And I check for P and V there, that's it. It's completely unnecessary. Ah, nice. For what you've got. Beautiful. Okay, so we have this. I want to put some mentions to quoted text, but I will probably do it off screen because yeah, I'll do it off screen. It's on the 20s, and I want to save you me redacting things at almost 11 p.m. on a Friday. That's gonna be slow even for the standards of this channel. I need to put the previous song once more. It was just too good. So, where were we? Are we done? Make put walk up. Should we dare do that? I wonder if I need to refactor this a bit more. Still annoys me a bit. This looks more compact, although I have to say that it's also more noisy. Nah, this is okay. It's okay. Here, honestly, I don't need this check. I think I can always make it against this. me just write it down. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, full one, of course. Yeah, I think we already did those gets on specific things. We already did it, so we don't need them again. It's just cluttering the tests. But here, let's put something else in full. Actually, these new lines, I'm not sure if I want them in the tests. Well, there, yes, I need them. There, I need them, I need them, I need them. This one, honestly, I don't need it. Yeah, perfect. That works. And this one's from cell call, honestly. Yeah, these are for the inputs, right? The inputs can have a split. I'm splitting the input. So these new lines should go away. Just makes the tests easier to understand. Yep. Yep. We're almost there. So yeah. Yeah. Where we were before, right? This one. Let's let me come back to this in a bit. Oh, cell call. Ah, those are literal new lines. I cannot break them. Good. Okay, now for real. All right, good. I wonder how solid all of this is going to be when we start using it heavily in terms of correctness. So what I wanted to do here is to say put full and here I don't honestly, well, I can repeat things to be, yeah, I guess repeating is fine. I put full to what? Honestly, yeah, I guess it's easier to put that than the spaces. The spaces are less revealing. So what if I put full, yep, go, sorry. What do you mean there's already a list? Yeah, exactly. It's okay. And what is this? Over hey, full go, exactly. Yeah, I think this is okay. Put pfull. Yeah, put it to an empty text. Alright, for now for an interesting case. If I get everything, what do I get? Yeah, M bar, okay, good. And then I want to do, what was that thing I wanted to do? Oh yeah. This one. Get full. What happens if I do this? If I put, no, if I put empty text, if I put an empty text, and if I get everything, what do I get? A full, and then I have empty text. One. And if I get this, I'm starting to fall in love with this. Okay, let's try to get out of the hedonistic mood here. So, strictly speaking, I need to, well, let's first fix the tests. More polish. Yeah, I need to go to sleep, but what I'll do the next episode is I'm going to do an annotated source code for what? Because what do I have commented so far? A bunch. And parse element. Yeah, to number if number. Oh yeah, to number if number I also did, right? No, I didn't do it. So that's missing. TextToPaths, I definitely commented the whole thing. Then I don't comment anything for decoder, sorter, path to text. Which is not too bad because that's an easy one. JS to paths, path to JS, I also leave as is. And then validator. Yeah. And then call, yeah, I don't comment this either. Well, not comment, annotate, sorry. I need to annotate cell and put. Sorry, get and put, I have to do it. I have to do get and put. I'm going to annotate them to understand them well. And then let's just do a fun roadmap here. So we make put walkup to set things in the same way that get does it. And then we're going to put a dot input and also in get. And if you have a dot, you're basically going to take the current path as your context. And then we're finally going to implement what we thought about 2 or 3 episodes ago, which is reference, which is when you basically take the stuff, any adds from rightmost paths, you go and look up as a get, and then you add the equal. Yeah, all of this. This still stands. All right, that is it. Thank you for watching.